So traders, today I'll be taking you guys into a wonderful trade breakdown video where I'll be showing you, teaching you, and most of all unlocking secrets that many traders don't know, or let me just say your mentors don't show you. But because I'm legit, because I'm one of the realists, and because I'm meant to help, and I'm meant to share, and I'm meant to be out there so I can change someone's life. So I'm here today to educate you guys and to show you guys how you have to trade a London session, or how you can anticipate possible continuations, but only when you're trading the London session. But not only the London session, but this mainly works effectively when you're trading the London session. And one thing I've tested out on 3 pairs that I always work on, which is USDCAD, gold, and NASDAQ. Do you guys get that? So as I'm about to share to you guys this video, all I ask of you guys is to just take a notebook and a pen, have you some coffee, find you some peaceful space, and most of all, share the video, like the video, leave a comment on the video on how you have learned and how you are willing to put in the extra work so you can master what I'm about to share to you guys, and so you can be one of the greatest traders that I can unlock on 2025. But it only starts with you having to put in the work now. Or if you want to trade with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend, I've left the link on my description. You can just click that link, sign up, open your account, fund 1.5 or more, and just receive a free in-person mentorship course worth 3K. Or if you want to buy an affordable profit challenge, I've also left my link down there. You can just click the link, locate an affordable profit that you can purchase, and we're having up to, I think it was $2 million. I think it's up to $2 million your profit, right? But without further ado, guys, let me not waste your time. Let me make sure that I give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need so you can go out there and capitalize without relying on anyone, I myself included. Do you guys get that? So if I have to remove this, that's when I can show you guys how we have anticipated this possible move to the downside on USDCAD, right? So okay, I think it's kind of slow for now, but let's be patient with it. So USDCAD, when I woke up yesterday on Thursday, because this trade was took on Thursday yesterday, and I'm sharing it today to you guys to show you how effective I want to educate you guys and how effective I want to change someone's trading, and how I want to put in the work so you guys can also put in the work. Because you see, you do what your mentors do. If I don't put in the work as a mentor, will you put in the work as a mentee? I don't think so. But without further ado, guys, let me show you guys what happened and what you might take and what you might learn from this. So USDCAD on Thursday, I understood that on Wednesday, because we had tariff reciprocal speech, I'm just not sure of it, but I was up at night, I think from 10 p.m. on Wednesday. So on 10 p.m. when market, when this candlestick had a bullish strong flip, a strong push to the upside, and then the candlestick ended up flipping and trading to the downside, we now understood that how price is looking and how price has been sitting. If price has this what can I say, if price gives us this big engulfing candlestick with a long wick and a strong body close to the downside, all I can now do is to just understand that there's a high possibility that price might continue moving to the downside on the coming day, because this was Wednesday when we saw this move. We might look to continue bearish on the coming day, which is Thursday, yesterday. So on Thursday when I woke up, I now did something simple. I saw that, okay, price has this Asian low, this 2 a.m. candlestick, this 2 a.m. low, which is our Asian low, guys. Don't be dismayed about it. You must understand your trading sessions. If you don't, take my number and let me mentor you so I can make you one of the greatest traders. I repeat. So once we had this Asian low, price gave us this Asian low. With this Asian low, we now understood that if price gives us a low and price has some intraday highs, I would say, and some intraday highs, I would say, then there's two things that we might look to focus on for the coming week, because we now understand that we're having our lows and we're having our intraday high, right? So with our intraday low and our intraday high, we understood that because this was our Asian session, I don't trade midnight. I'm sleeping at that time. I don't trade Asian session. I could if I want to, but based on how I trade, I might take many L's when I trade the Asian session. Do you guys get that? So once we saw that our Asian session looks to be bearish, which is somehow giving us an indication that from this bearish candlestick close to end our trading day on Wednesday, and this low and this high, there's a high possibility that we might look for two things for the coming day. If we might get a break below this Asian low, then we might look forward for that strong continuation push to the downside. But if price gives us a breakup of our high, then I guess we might not put our money to work, because our structure is bearish, our behavior is bearish, and our patterns are also bearish. What patterns am I talking about, to be quite frank with you guys? It's this push and this pullback, this push and this range, and this continuation push to the downside. That's our patterns, right? So understanding that this Asian session, this candlestick, our pre-NY, our pre-London session, which was like 7 a.m. CAT, Central African time, we now understood that if this candlestick will close below, then I guess we might look for continuations to the downside. But we're not going to take trades until our London session candlestick closes, which is our 9 a.m. candlestick closing on 10 a.m. right? So if this candlestick closes, then we might get a few indications that price is looking to be bearish, to continue bearish, falling into our London session from our Asian session, right? So once this candlestick closed bearish, we closed above our very same Asian low. So with our very same Asian low close above, I now understood that if I'm looking to put my money to work, then I at least need to wait for the coming candlestick to give me an indication into how are we going to close and where are we going to close. And also look at this candlestick was obviously above our Asian high, our Asian low. I mean, we had a strong push to the upside, and then unfortunately the candlestick flipped, which was like an hour before our London open, right? So once this candlestick had a bear open and a candlestick flip, we now understood that based on this indication, based on this bullish open and bearish close, we now saw that this is a bullish open and a bearish close, which was our pre-London session, right? So once this candlestick had a strong momentum candlestick close, we now understood that, okay, one, we violated our lows. Two, we now have a momentum candlestick. All we now have to wait for is to wait for our London open candlestick, which is 9 a.m. to trade and give us an indication into what is it going to do. So once you look at the candlestick, we now understood that from this candlestick, the coming candlestick had a bullish open, which is like our London session candlestick. We had a bullish open and the candlestick flipped and closed bearish, and some indications price had a body and a wood and a long wick, right? So we closed in something like this, right? A long candle, a long wick, and a strong and a small body, giving us an indication that our London session is somehow or possibly looking to continue bearish, because our Asian session opened bearish. Okay, let me just say our Thursday market open from Asian session, from Frankfurt, obviously from Sydney, I mean, we opened bearish. So from trading bearish, we had that Asian low that prices violated on our pre-London session. With that pre-London session violation, the coming candlestick was a bear open, was a bullish open, and a bearish candlestick flip with a strong body and a long wick. With that being said, we waited for our London session candlestick, and once the London session candlestick hit, price gave us a clean body, price gave us a clean bullish open and a candlestick flip closing bearish. And once we had that, I now understood and told the team that, guys, price has closed how we have anticipated. All we now can look for is to just continue moving to the downside, because we have all the indications that we were looking for. Price violated our low, price closed below our low, our London session candlestick opened bearish, opened bullish, but somehow closed bearish, giving us an indication that the coming candlestick has to trade below our candlestick, our body, our close, right? If you understand OHLC, open high, low close, open high, low close, OHLC, right? So once you understood that this candlestick, our close was low, right? But our open was high, right? So we now understood that the coming candlestick gave us an indication that we're somehow looking to continue moving to the downside. And once I told the team that, guys, price just gave us an indication and price is trading the way we have anticipated, let's take this trade and let's make some money. And once you look at it, guys, price gave us what we anticipated and price did exactly what we have anticipated. Do you guys get that? So I need you guys to understand a few things. London session, okay, many traders focus on your NY session, forgetting that the London session is also as important as your New York session. But it's only based on you as a trader having to understand when are times of you that you have to strike on, and why do you have to strike when it's time for you to strike. And when you strike, what's the possibility or greater chances of you having to win or you having to lose? Because looking at this trade, we had three confluences. The first confluence, our market open is bearish. The second confluence, our candlestick, the second confluence, prices violated our Asian lows and gave bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing candlesticks below our lows. The third candlestick violated our intraday, our London session candlestick, which opened bullish and closed bearish. And the third candle, and the final confirmation, once price trades below that candlestick, our London session candlestick, then that's when we can look to take our word, to take our trades and let the markets play out the way we anticipated. And when you look at it, price did as we have anticipated. So guys, I need you to understand one thing. Trading is not easy, but as you consistently show up in the markets, that's when trading becomes easy. Do you guys get it? But without further ado, guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you share the video, and I hope you leave a comment into how you have been educated and how you have enjoyed the video. Or if you want to be mentored by me, myself, and I'm gonna leave my number, I'm gonna leave my Instagram link, and I'm gonna leave any source of communication tool that I have, so you can also have, so we can communicate as much as we can, so I can teach you, show you, educate you, and most of all, put you and make you one of the greatest traders that can ever be in 2025. But without further ado, thanks for liking, thanks for everything. This is your boy Harlem. We're signing out.